Bonjour, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Seasoning meats with salt and pepper is fine, but it's even better when a rub is applied. Here's my fabulous Polynesian rub. I'm sure you have all the ingredients to make it, so let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine brown sugar, then smoked paprika, followed by garlic powder, some ground sea salt, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. You can use just black, but the mixed one has more flavor. We'll stir until the ingredients are nicely mixed, transfer the blend to an airtight container, and store in a cool, dark area. It should keep for up to 2 months if it lasts that long, and it makes about 1/3 of a cup. As you saw in this video, it's easy to make and I'm sure it will become one of your favorite spice blends this summer. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!